Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to edit text in Figma. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to edit text in Figma, simply double click the text layer you want to modify or select it and press enter. So once you open Figma, you can simply type in anything and follow these steps. So this will allow you to directly edit the text content within the layer. You can then adjust font, properties, colors, and other attributes from the sidebar that is on the right hand side of the corner. So simply do this and you will be able to simply get the text that you want. Like you can simply edit different kind of features in your text as per your liking, and you can repeat the steps to edit any of the text you want to add on Figma. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.